How to set out of Office in Outlook without auto reply. So if you want to set out of Office in Outlook without auto reply, then you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, to make sure that you're set out of Office in Outlook, what you need to do is open the calendar. Then set your calendar without auto reply and make sure it's set to out of Office. To do that, you need to click on Settings, which will be on the top right corner of your screen. Or you can just simply go with the File, and from File you need to go with Account Settings, and from the Account Settings again click on the Account Settings option. From here you need to go and select the calendar. Once you click on the calendar, make sure that you have set your calendar to out of Office. After you've done that, you need to click on Without Auto Reply, and then you're good to go. This is how you can set out of Office in Outlook without auto reply, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.